Look at this cornbread dressing, made just right for your palate. Good Lord, I can't wait to dig into this. I cook just about everything. Good Lord. Come on in here, y'all. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on in here to Cooking with Sandra Faye. Today, people, I am making cornbread dressing. Now, a lot of you have emailed me and said, Sandra, please make some cornbread dressing. Well, let me tell you, it's old-fashioned cornbread dressing, okay? I'm not gonna make you put a whole bunch of unnecessary stuff you don't need in your dressing. And most likely y'all have all of these ingredients already at home. And hopefully you don't have to buy no more than maybe 2 items, okay, that you might need. But I'm telling you, it's simple and it's easy and it's no hard work. All right? Some things you can omit if you don't want it, and some things, you can just add some more stuff if you want to, and salt to taste, okay? All right, let's get this thing started. Woo! Here are all the ingredients that I use. People, it will be down in the description box along with the full recipe. So make sure you take a look, okay? I don't want to say all of these ingredients. So let's move this thing on. Okay, I add 2.5 cups of chicken broth and raw veggies. I also added 3.5 cups of water with a tablespoon of chicken bouillon powder. I love that stuff. I ain't lying. Now flavor your chicken broth with 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Yeah, half of 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper and 1/4 sage, rubbed sage. Then you're gonna take out all your large veggies out of the broth. Make sure you take it out now. You don't want to be eating that. Add half a box of the cornbread stuffing. Blend everything together, guys. Blend it all together. I had to add more chicken broth and water, guys. I did this all wrong, so make sure you look at the recipe in the description box, okay? I didn't have enough, so I had to add more chicken broth and water. Supposed to cook it on top of the stove. Anyway, just mix everything up well. Mix it up very well. Now, this is the consistency that you want. It's the way you want it to look like. After tasting, I added 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. So now I'm adding my veggies. It's in butter, y'all. I did this in butter. I sauteed the vegetables in butter. I added 2 eggs. And I mixed it very well. Very well. Then I poured it into a pan. Had to put some Pam in there. I didn't have a nonstick pan. Maybe I'll get one day. Then you put it in the oven and you cover it with foil and bake on 400 degrees for about an hour and 15 minutes. Now this is for quick gravy. If you want gravy for your dressing, you're going to pour chopped veggies into 1/4 oil and saute them for about 2 minutes, okay? And add 1.5 tablespoons of flour. And you're gonna add, well, at least you're gonna stir constantly until light brown. I must be getting hungry. And you're gonna put in 1 cup of chicken broth. Put it on in there, and you're gonna add 1 cup of water, H2O. You're gonna add some rubbed sage to taste. Nobody know how much sage you like. 1 bay leaf. I added 1 bay leaf, just 1. 1/4 teaspoon of chicken bouillon cube, and I'm gonna let it thicken on low heat. Adjust the seasonings if you need to. And after 1 hour and 15 minutes, remove the foil and bake until golden brown. Yeah, you're going to put it in and let it finish baking. Take it out when it's done, y'all. I can't wait to get this. Look how good it looks. Look how good that looks. Oh, Lord have mercy. Woo! Look at this cornbread dressing. Made just right. Just right for your palate. Good Lord. I can't wait to dig into this. Man, I feel like I've been slaving in the kitchen all day. It's hard cooking dressing and trying to film it, y'all. Especially when your camera's going in and out. Some parts I had to cut out, so y'all please forgive me for that, okay? But look at this. Woo, look at this. Now let me tell you, you can find the recipe down in the description box, okay? Always in the description box. I kind of messed up, like I said, with the camera, but hopefully you go down there and copy the recipe. Now let's do a taste test. Ooh, I already know it's gonna be good. I already know it. Look at that. Look at that. Woo wee. And I got me some cranberry. Let me get some cranberry on the side there. Just a little bit. All right. Lord have mercy. You can taste the chicken broth. You can taste the onions, the bell peppers, every darn thing. I mean, it is so delicious and moist and not dry. This is the way you want your dressing to look, your cornbread dressing. Don't be making no dry dressing, y'all. Giving it to people, don't do that. Okay, but like I said, I put it on 400 degrees. And it really took me probably about an hour and 45 minutes to cook it, okay? I had to keep going back checking. You know how you have to check. So make sure you check yours, okay? And make sure you keep tasting your gravy, okay? Because maybe you might have to add a little bit more broth or water and chicken powder. If you adding more water, make sure you put more of that chicken bouillon powder inside of it, because you don't want it to be tasting bland, okay? It's not salty at all. Trust me. I didn't even have to add any salt, y'all. Woo! That's great. All right. Let me know how y'all like it and let me know if you make it. All right? Until next week, make sure you come back to Cooking with Sandra Faye. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Please do that for me. I'm getting up there. I'm trying to get 1,000. I know y'all gonna help me. All right. Bye until next week.